Hey, how's it going? My name's Adrian Solars. I'm the founder of FrostLeads.com and a co-founder of CloseX.io. So the way I'm able to send over 10K messages every single day is using CloseX.io. So this tool, it is a headless browser, so it does run on your personal computer, laptop, any of that. It is super cost efficient. We do also offer a 5-day free trial. So let's go into more of it. So if you're running one account, you're gonna pick the starter. The 5 accounts, the pro. The 10 accounts to enterprise. So when you do it, you're going to be sent to a WAP page. So on the WAP page, you'll be basically be able to download the tool and then also see a few courses. We have a 12-minute walkthrough video. We also do have some, free bonuses like courses on how to write a proper DM and all of that. So now let's go more into the tool and how I'm able to send all these DMs. So this is a new account that I made. We sent 3K DMs in the past, few hours. So I am running over 20 accounts. So the first step you're going to do is you're going to go into the accounts, and you're going to connect with using your username, password, and email. And then if you do have a proxy, you'll be able to insert a proxy. So then I'm not going to obviously show you my accounts because it will give you, you know, basically the login access to my accounts. But then we're going to go either into leads if you want to scrape leads, or we'll go straight into the campaign section. Also, keep in mind this is all run through a Unibox, so you'll basically be able to target and be able to do everything through that and respond to every single DM. Now let's go into creating a campaign. So when you do go into create a campaign, when you go into one of my personal campaigns, you're going to be able to name the campaign. If you're running different ones, you can do you're targeting SaaS. For example, I'm targeting client ascension. Able to target a user. We can pick if you want to do followers, following both. You'll be able to select accounts depending on your subscription. You'll be able to put in the keywords. Only thing you need to do is press enter after every single one. Then you have negative keywords. You'll have the followers if you want to target more, less, whatever. Then we'll be able to go into the link in bio. The link in bio here is, it's going to be true or false. If they have a link in bio, that's true. If they don't, that's false. We'll be able to filter if they do. Then let me close this down. My VPS is a little slow because I run this externally. Here it is the Twitter verification. If you want them to have verification, you press true. If you don't, you'll press false or ignore, depending whichever one they have. Then we go into next. Be able to set the campaign limit. This is how many DMs the total campaign. So those will be spread across the days, and then when the campaign is done, it will say campaign finished. Then we'll go into writing your DMs. You can add a follow-up if you want to. You can target it by how many minutes. Select delay. Weeks, days, hours, minutes. How many, basically. And then the follow-up message. I don't like to use follow-ups usually. Um, Anyways, for example, update campaign. Now we'll press start. So here it will basically start logging into all of the accounts that you do have. It will start scraping. For example, this one's running, so we'll save the lead to the database. So I have over 200K leads saved. It will start, logging into the personal. If you do have a 2FA, a little screen will pop up for you to put in your code. Then, what you can do is we can go into the Unibox. Keep in mind this is a new account, so I just started tagging. So instead of you having to track every single thing from an external lead source, you can basically filter by interested, uninterested, potential, or sold. For example, there's a new account, so I haven't started, tracking of this. For example, we have interested here. You can go through this basically once every few days and manually follow up with everyone. This is a function we are adding in the AI section. We are integrating an AI setter that'll basically, be able to respond for you so you can spend less time. It's also really good if you want to say, if you're a course seller and you want to, improve your product, you can go into Salt, talk with all the, program customers or whatever you are selling, potential deals. Um, yeah, so you can filter by all of that. You can respond through all of this. For example, this guy has automated replies. say, you want to, whatever, mark as uninterested, uninterested. We'll be able to basically track all the responses here that we've gotten. Yeah, so I follow a lot of this guy across, 20, 30 accounts, so it's going to be a lot of him. But yeah, as you can see, we have loads of leads. Besides that, then what we can do is see overall performance on the dashboard. This is going to take a little bit of time to load. But yeah, if you like what you see so far, do me a favor and go and sign up for the 5-day free trial. If you do not like it, no worries. If you have any issues, message me on Telegram at Adrian Solars, and we can also add you to our strategy group if you are a user where, we all help each other out. We give, we'll help you write your initial DM. We'll help you, with responses. So for example, you have the 3,000 messages sent. We got 429 replies. We have 57 accounts logged in, even though I'm only using like 20 to 30. Attempted DMs is if, for example, someone has their messages blocked or isn't verified or any of that. No replies, 37.6. This is in the works. But basically, this kind of just does show, who didn't reply and all of that. Lead scraped is a total leads you scraped, since not everyone will have a keyword in bio. But yeah, so this is basically the outline of this. If you do like what you see, and if you think having a unit box is going to be super time effective compared to all the other tools on the market, feel free to sign up for the 5-day free trial. Message me either on Twitter, Telegram, WhatsApp, and I'll put you into a strategy group, help you out with any help you need. Or if you are looking for a full done for you offer, feel free to message me on Twitter or Telegram or WhatsApp like I mentioned before. Or feel free to email me at adrian@frostleaks.com, and I can pull out the whole system and manage it for you. And all you have to do is either respond, or we can put in a setter and manage this all for you. So if this is something of interest for you or your business, then feel free to message me. But I hope this helped you guys out. And if you have any questions, like I said, message me on any of my socials.